Hello, hi guys. Welcome back to the next session of SAP Workflow Training Series, and thank you for choosing JK Tutorials. So, guys, in our previous session, we have started forms. We have discussed how to create a form. So, we have seen what is a form. So, form step in a workflow allows users to display or process data in a workflow containers and element. Okay, so we have already created a module pool screen also. Sorry, which is automatically generated by this by workflow only. So what we have done is we have just added some buttons to the screen, okay, so that we will start to see more in that part only. So we have seen what is the workflow, how the flow will happen, okay, PBOP, screen and workflow, how the data flows between them. Now guys, we will do some more things in that. Okay, let me share my full screen. You will see add some more things to that workflow part. Okay, so we will extend it. I will go to the SWTT transaction code. Yeah, you can see we have already having a workflow, which is this display sales order. Okay, this is a forms. If you have not watched this session, go and watch this session first so that you will get to know about this also. Okay, if I will go to the display button, you can see, one second. You can see we have created two buttons. These buttons was already created because we have created a structure also. From there it got fetched. Okay, so those fields was there. Okay, I will go back. So in the ITVBAK, you have already seen we have created this structure ZVBAK underscore form, which is having this VBLN, ERDAT, ERZ, time and name, and what is that? V underscore return. Now we have created one flag. Now you can see whenever user will click on that button. Which button, guys? I will show you. I will go back. Whenever user will click on this approve button, so we have already written a logic for this also. What logic we have written is, I will go and show you. Okay, we have written whenever user will click on this approve button, then this v return should fill as x. Whenever user will click on this reject button, this v return will be empty only. So what we can do, guys, we can put a condition in this case also. I will go back once and I will show you what we can do, guys. Here you can see in this screen, uh, sorry, yeah, so in this screen, what I want is whenever if this sales order is approved or rejected, then some mail should send or like we have seen in our leave request case also. Same thing we can achieve over here. Ki how can we do it, guys? Okay, one second. So what we want is we want some one condition here, one part of condition here. One second. Yeah. So what I want is, guys, I want one condition here. Here I want one condition where what should happen is if it will be approved, then we are having this button approve here. Okay, this condition here where I will send a mail request, and another one is for my reject button. Okay, so whether it is approved or whether it will be rejected, that we will see, guys. Just give me a moment. Okay, I hope this one is clear. So what is my requirement now? So whether this have sales or so simple, our main perspective is to take the out. Before that I will wait a minute. Let me execute this and I will show you. And I will take the value. See, take some data. Go to the VBAK screen. Take this and convert the document value. Go back there. Pass it. Okay, I will just execute. So you can see for this sales document 3, we got the data. Now, if user will click on this approve or reject button, what our perspective is, we have to take this approve. Whenever user will click on this approve button, that text should come and we will use it in our condition part. Okay. So I will also take this screenshot and put it there. Forms. Okay. This is what we have created, guys. Okay. I will go back here. Yeah, go back. So we will create another step, which is nothing but kind of checking a condition. So we have a condition step here wherein we can check whether the user has approved it or rejected it. Okay, here I will create a condition. Okay, before that I will go to the, it's in change mode only. Create one more condition. Select a step. Wait a minute, guys. 1 second. Yeah, guys, sorry. So what we will do? Just double click here. Okay, sorry, go back and click on this create button. So what we have to do? We have to create a condition. Okay. So you can see here the button which is condition. You can see two options are there. I will click on this button and I will go there. Okay. So just give the step name. 1 second. Check sales order is approved or rejected. Okay, so this is what we have to do. Now click here to create a new condition. What we have to do, guys, here now we have to create the condition. Okay, if it will be a true, then we will say it as a approved, and if it will be a false, we will say it as a rejected. Correct? Okay, so what I will do, I will just click here to create a new condition. I think we have already seen this. Huh? So here what we will do is we will pass one expression, okay, wherein I can create a new condition to check whether the material has been approved by the user or not. So very simple, we have a container element, correct? We have created it, which is nothing but a indicator. Okay, I will double click here and I will show you what I will do. You can see, guys, we are an indicator. Okay, so what I will do is I will just drag and drop it over. Choose expression. Okay, right click and then click on this choose button also, it will got selected. Okay, so wherein we write a condition, we should have two expressions and one is operand between those, one parameter. Okay, so we will be having one value here. Okay, and one operand between those, one operator. Okay, so always a condition is between two operators or two operators, operand and one operator. So first operand is my indicator and I want to check this, give the value of this as one x. Okay, I will check the operand over here. I will say here as, from here you can select, guys. Okay, just click on this equals to button and the expression will I will give here as x. Constant as x. Yeah, you can write the value over here in the is constant button and it will come here automatically. Okay, so is this clear, guys? To select anything, right click over here on the your container element and then click on choose, then click on this equals to button and then it will, the x will come over here. Okay, just give me a minute, guys. Okay, guys, is this clear? So when this condition holds true, it goes to the approved block, and whenever this condition holds false, it goes to the rejected block. Okay, that's how I even use a condition operation. Okay, you have already seen like if else condition already. Okay, where we will give two condition, one if it's if condition, if it's equals to x, then we used to give another condition as else. Okay, I will click on this continue button now. Okay, click on this continue button. So you can see, guys, this check sales order approved or rejected has having two condition now, whether it's approved or whether it's got rejected. Okay, so now here we can simply write an email step to send an email whether the material is approved or rejected. So this is what also we can do, guys, correct? So I will just go there. Okay, I will click on this create button. Okay, or you can right click also there. Okay, and click on the send email. Click on this continue. As of now, I will also select this WF initiator. We will see about agents, guys, in our coming up sessions. We will say sales order approved. Okay, and say right name. Your sales order has been approved. Thanks and regards. ZK tutorials. Correct? So this is what we can do. Okay. Also, I will just click on this continue button. So I will give the Z approve sales. Z on this continue button. Save this. Okay. You can see sales order approved. Okay. I will click on this reject button. Okay. I will click on this create button now. Sorry guys. Save this. I will click on this eject button and then I will click on this create button. I will create one more step for the rejection. For same send email, I will click on this send email button. Sales order rejected. Hi, your sales order has been rejected. Sorry. Okay. Thanks and regards. This tutorials. Okay. I will click on this continue button. I will say reject. I will say reject sales. Click on this local object. You can see guys, a complete workflow we have created. So that's how we have written our complete workflow with the form step. Okay. Okay guys, is this clear? I will just click on the save button and then I will check this whether there are any inconsistencies, nothing is there, and then finally click on this activate button. Okay. Now I will just execute this. What I can do, I will go to again SE16 and I will take this material or any material also we can take guys. Okay. I will take this 21, let's say this time. ITBPAK, VBLN. Okay. Give this and then click on this execute button. Okay. You can see properties, toolbox. This is what we have already discussed about this in our previous session. I will click on this approve button. Okay. I will go back. Okay. The item is come. Array. Sorry guys, I will just click on execute and I will go to the business workplace. Okay, so in the inbox and in the workflow, I will go there. You can see display form. I will go there. 1 second. I think we are not sending back data to the workflow. I hope this one is the issue. Wait a minute. Let me go it again. Yeah, I will execute this again. I will give this maybe okay. Click on this execute button. I will click on this eject button this time. Go back, go to workflow log. Sorry, don't go to that. And what is that? I will see the graphical workflow log. Okay, I will see how our workflow got worked out. Okay, so you can see, okay, our workflow got completed. You can see from workflow log, display sales order, change check sales order. Okay, then it go to the right hand side where we have selected this rejected button. So this is how guys you can also give some conditions. Okay, you can change it accordingly as per your need. Okay, click on this graphical log so that you can see the path of the workflow, how it got flowed from here, from after you have changed the condition. If I will click on this approved button, then it will come and end to over here. Okay, I hope this one is clear to everyone guys. Okay, if I will just click on this execute button, I will go back and I will go to the business workplace, go to the inbox, go to your workflow, go to this form. I don't think it is different one, I hope. Okay, SBWP is the T code to open the workplace. Okay, unread documents, sorry, sales order rejected, you can say sales order rejected. Okay, so this is what, guys, we can do, how your sales order has been rejected. Okay, I hope this image is clear to everyone, guys. So that's all for this session. We will see more about loops and condition in our coming up session, guys. Okay, thank you for joining. Have a good day. Bye bye.